Good morning everyone. I'm doing a review today of the Bear 2.5 liter double boiler that I got from Lazada recently, and it comes with also a steaming tray on the top and also a 2.5 liter double boiling pot inside, and that is the base at the bottom where you fill it up halfway with water. And also it comes with 4 of these smaller ceramic pots where you can actually boil Chinese medicine, herbs, stuff like that. And also I think you can make like tong sui. Some people like to make certain types of these double boiled desserts. So you can either use the steaming tray at the top. You can steam eggs, chicken, fish, whatever. It's not too big, but I think it should be enough for a family of three or 4 people. And it goes on like this. You can also use it without the steaming tray. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how to make soup. First, you need to fill up the base with some water. There's a small plastic marking at the side. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but basically it's almost 3/4 of a pot of the 2.5 liter pot of which they supply. So fill that up first. Don't worry if there's not enough, or you can adjust it later. So I'm making this winter melon soup. So this is parboiled chicken. I've sort of parboiled to remove the blood and the scum, hemoglobin from the chicken to make the soup clear. These are red dates and also some dried sotong or dried squid. So you just layer in the chicken bones at the bottom, the parboiled chicken bones. You can parboil the chicken bones in some water, some rice wine, a couple of slices of ginger. Just bring it up to a simmer for a few minutes and then turn off the heat and remove the chicken bones, because all the scum will come out, and then you don't want that in your soup. Next, you put in the dates and also the slices of winter melon. You can fill it up to about 2.5 liters. The pot is 2.5 liters, so that's enough soup for, I think, my family of 5. It's more than enough for my family of 5 people. So I guess for a small family, it's more than adequate. Alright, so that's I've topped up the water for the soup. Put on the ceramic cover, and also actually on top, for demonstration purposes, I am going to use the steaming tray. Just set it up on top, and then a metal tray on top with 3 eggs, which I'm going to make hard-boiled eggs. Okay, so I've turned on the power, and you can see there are 4 buttons here. This one is for turning on the timer, plus minus the time, so you can actually set a time of when you want the unit to turn on. So it increases in increments of 30 minutes. So let's say I wanted to start in 4 hours. I put 4 here, and then this is to select which selection. This one is for soup. It's all in Chinese, unfortunately, so I have to get it translated or something. So what I've done is I just pressed it and gone to soup, and 4 hours later it will start to turn on and double boil the soup. If you want to stop it for any reason, you just press it again and it goes to off, and then you can repeat the whole procedure again to turn it on. What I just want to show you is like for soup it takes about 3 hours to complete, but depending on what type of soup you're making, I can actually turn it off in 2 hours, 2.5 hours. So these are actually other presets. You can use it for boiling medicine, stews, rice and stuff like that. So I'm going to set it back again to what I had just now, or maybe I will start in 3.5 hours, and for double boiling my soup. This is the sound it makes when it's cooking. The sound of the boiling water inside. Alright guys, finally after a few hours it's dinner time and the soup is done. So yeah, the soup looks good. It's red in color due to the red dates that we used. And I'm salting the soup after I cook it, because you don't know how much water will evaporate during cooking. Yep, looks pretty good. When we had it, it was really tasty. The soup is clear. When you use a double boiler, usually you get very clear soup. That's the difference between using a double boiler and just boiling it over the stove. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the Bear double boiler. It's really convenient, easy to clean. It makes really good soup. The only thing I didn't really like was that it came with an EU or US plug, but they did supply it with a UK adapter, so we could use it immediately, and a power cable is too short, and also it makes a little bit of noise, but that's to be expected. So thanks again for watching guys. Thank you and see you again next one. Bye bye.